Hello, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to install components, modules, or plugins onto your Joomla website. The first thing you need to do is to go ahead and log into your Joomla backend administrative area. Then you just go ahead and click on Extension, Manage, and Install. Now, Joomla has a built-in extension store where you can just search for any extension that you want. For instance, I want to build a real estate website, so I would probably search for the word property to see if I can find any plugin that will work with it. And there you go. There's so many of them. Now, some are commercial and some are free extension, like Joomla is free extension. The commercial one will be marked with the $sign. OS Properties, however, is one of the best component out there for a properties website. So if you go to their website and then download or purchase their package, you'll be given an access to download their install package. Now, once you have the install package, what you need to do is to go to this button right here, Upload Package File, then just click on Browse for a file. Once you find the file that you downloaded from the developer's website, and it will auto install it for you. It's so easy. And if you have any question, please feel free to go to our website www.fullstackdev.us, and we'll be more than happy to help you and answer you with any question that you may have. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you.